Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 Siamese Cat Facts. The ancient color-changing cat. 1. Siamese cats are an Asian cat breed originating from Thailand. 2. They are named Siamese cats because the former name of Thailand was Siam. The country's name was changed in 1939. 3. The cats were first described in manuscripts called the Tamra Meow. Tamra Meow translates to cat book poems and is thought to possibly be as old as the 14th century. This makes Siamese cats one of the oldest cat breeds. 4. Generally, Siamese cats have black areas around the face, ears, feet, and tails. The rest of their bodies are white or cream colored. They can also be shades of orange, brown, and lilac. 5. Siamese cats actually have color-changing, heat-sensitive fur. One of their genes that controls fur color only activates under 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. These are the areas that turn black. This is why most Siamese kittens are born white. They have just left a warm womb. Over time, the colder areas of their bodies start to darken or turn completely black. 6. Pureblood Siamese cats will always have their signature striking blue eyes, though some may have paler eyes than others. 7. One of the odd quirks they used to have was crossed eyes. It used to be very common, but nowadays it has mostly been bred out. 8. They are more dog-like than other breeds. They are very playful, social, and talkative, even when fully grown. 9. They have a loud, unique, low-pitched, rolling meow called a meezer. They use it when they want your attention. They get separation anxiety much easier than other cat breeds. And 10. In the cartoon Crypto the Superdog, one of the reoccurring villains is a Siamese cat. Its name is Isis, and she is Catwoman's cat. In other DC incarnations, Isis is a black cat instead. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.